Notes for 2. Solving exponential or logarithm equations. What are the steps in solving exponential equations? Well, exponential means a variable in the exponent, and log equations means log. So the first step is if you can rewrite it in the same base, rewrite the same base. Okay, if you can't, rewrite it in log form. The second step is to use the one-to-one property of exponents. Now, if you're on this route, it's to use your calculator. And then you do your algebra 1. B, what are the steps in solving logarithm equations? The first step is to condense if you can. That means if you have two logs on one side, plus means you multiply, and minus means you rewrite it as division. The second step is to use the one-to-one property of logs, or to rewrite in exponential form. And then you do your algebra 1 from there. So today you're just probably going to just learn how to do the right side, rewrite in exponential form, and later on you'll learn how to use properties and to condense and to use the one-to-one property of logs. So example 1. Now you can't condense because we haven't learned that yet. We're just going to go, since it's not a one-to-one property of log, we're just going to rewrite it in exponential. So I'm going to circle the base, 4 to negative. So what's on the other side? Negative 2, that goes in the exponent. What's on the other side of negative 2 is w. So I'm going to rewrite it in exponential, so 4 to negative 2 equals w. 4 to negative 2 just means 1 over 4 times 4, which is 16. Example 2, y equals log base 5 of 1 over 25. It's in log form. There's no logs on both sides, so it's not a one-to-one property. So we're going to rewrite it exponential. So 5 to the y equals 1 over 25. 5 to the what gives you 1 over 25? Negative 2. Alright, next page. Example 3. It's kind of different. It's just applying the property twice. So it's a log equation because it's log, and there's two logs, but the two logs are on one side. So what we're going to do is rewrite it in exponential, so 3 to the first equals, what's on the other side of 1 is log base 4 of 5x. Well, 3 to the first is 3, so we're going to write 3 equals log base 4 of 5x. Now it just becomes another log problem. It's still log, so I'm going to rewrite an exponential. 4 to the third equal to 5x. 4 to the third is 64 equal to 5x. Just solve it like algebra 1. Divide by 5. X equals 64 over 5. Thank you for listening. This is notes for 2, exponential and logarithm.